Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Haven in Poole, just next to Bournemouth. Their site is called Rockley Park. So we booked a silver caravan, so we'll do a tour all around the caravan, all around the site, and apparently they've even got their own private beach, so let's go and check it out.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
Haven Rockley Park. Right, so we arrived 44 Central Park. We've gone for a silver caravan, so we get this nice balcony. Let's go and see what inside's like. So if you've never been to a Haven before, when your caravan is ready, they put a green sticker on that you just rip off, and then your keys should be inside. Right, so as I said, gone for a silver caravan, so sort of mid to top end caravan, and I must say first impressions really nice. Let's go and have a look around. So first things first, nice little dining table for four, separate dining table as well, not like an inbuilt thing. That's nice. As I said, you get your keys on your table. Ooh, and you also get your welcome passes. Have we got enough? Yes. So we get your welcome passes for the evening entertainment. To the right hand side as you come in, have a little boiler room, mop and such, built-in fridge freezer. That's nice, isn't it? The size of that freezer. And the fridge is huge. Very nice. Kitchen, I must say, for a caravan is particularly good. Marble effect, not actual marble, but still very nice. What have we got? Cutlery could do with updating. Ew, what's that? Butter on the corkscrew, not the best. Basic cutlery, some pots, some pans, graters, small pots and pans. That drawer's a bit rubbish. We even have a wine rack tucked in the corner. Dishwasher, very nice, fancy for a caravan. Bit of storage under the sink. Sink itself is very nice, all very new. Tap, sink over, chopping boards. Up here we got the microwave. That's all very nice and clean. More cupboards. Toaster hidden away in the corner. What's up this one? More storage. Nice little sun display. Layered, beautiful. Kettle under here. Bit of health and safety. Tea and coffee cups. We got the cooker, hobs, grills, and your oven. Not that I plan to do much cooking. Doesn't look like many other people have either. More pots and pans. It's about 8 pots and pans we're up to now. More up here. Amazing. Look at these egg cups, they're fun, aren't they? Haven't had a boiled egg in many years. Glasses, wine glasses, most importantly, and a pint glass. Perfect. Plates. Everything you need, really. Just moving over into the lounge area. The first thing I notice actually is down here on the floor is lots of stringy pink stuff, which they've not done a very good job there, have they? What's that? Pink hair. Ooh. Now, is that someone's pink hair or off a toy? I don't know. Big sofa though. Obviously caravans, you normally get those built-in ones. They're not particularly comfy. These are independent suites, so like a 3-piece and a 2-piece here. Very good. We'll test those out in a second. Nice big mirror on the wall. And then obviously you've got your wraparound balcony, your patio doors. We'll have a little tour around there afterwards. Check out this sofa. Oh yeah, that's nice and comfy. We've flipped around, so we've got the little coffee table in the middle. And then we've got a Samsung TV, some storage underneath. Is that a DVD player? What's that under there? It is DVD player. Haven't seen one of those in many years. Curtains are nice as well. Gold, floral, very posh. Another big mirror. Cupboards, little fake fire, bit of atmosphere. Let's go check out the rest of it. So I think we've gone in for 2 beds, if I remember. How do we turn lights on down here? This is the shower and toilet, which you get for a caravan's pretty nice and spacious, really. If I stand in this corner, I can't actually reach that wall. That's good, nice and spacious. I suppose a weird way to test it, but at least you know it's good space. So toilet, nice and clean. Toilet paper, sink, nice mirror. Does this come out? Yes, it does. It's a bit of storage. That one stays under there. Shower cubicle. Now we are in a caravan, so obviously it's not going to be massive, but for a caravan, it's pretty big. Looks pretty clean, nice shower over. Even like the bit of a slate effect wall makes it a bit nicer. So in here we've got a bedroom with 2 single beds, fully kitted out, duvets, towels, bit of storage above, quite a lot of storage above. Little weird headboard, plugs, and it's good that they come with the USBs, which everyone wants these days. Ooh, not fastened to the wall. Little storage in the middle, little wardrobe to the side, hangers, extra pillow. Also centrally heated, which is good. I think at this level of caravan, at silver caravans, all of them are centrally heated, but if you do go for the saver caravans, which are a bargain to be honest at Haven, it varies on site as to which ones are centrally heated and not. I've been to both scenarios, and sometimes you get lucky, they're brand new ones and they are centrally heated, but not always, so double check when booking the savers. But here in the silver, I think it's from bronze onwards actually that you get centrally heated, so good to know. Next up, oh, we've gone for a 3-bed. I forgot I booked a 3. So next bedroom, we've got little mirror, little shelf. Look how cute that little shelf is. Is that just to put your phone while you're charging it? I suppose it is. There's a plug here and then a TV aerial, so maybe the idea is that you have a TV mounted on the wall there, which makes sense because the beds are both facing that way. And then just like the other bedroom, bit of storage in the middle, again the USBs, and then this one has like a hanging wardrobe, and then this must be the master bedroom. Dun dun dun. The master bedroom, so big double room. I say big, it is big for a caravan. So proper double sized bed, And storage again overhead and either to the sides. Double plug sockets at either side. You get plug sockets, doubles and double USBs, so lots of electrics for you. Check out the view. Sneak peek at the neighbours. And then you've got this desk area, which is pretty large to be honest. Nice little stall. That's not easy to get out with one hand. Nice little stall so you can sit down. Mrs. can do her makeup. Cupboard. Extra hairdryer. Big wardrobe. Nice. 2 skinny drawers underneath. And then you also get a TV in the bedroom. This is a silver caravan thing, so anyone below you get a TV in the lounge. In silvers and above you get 2 TVs, so you get one in the lounge and one in the bedroom, the master bedroom anyway. And it also has an ensuite toilet, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go. So sink, mirror over, again all looks in good condition, bit of storage, and your toilet. There's been a bit of damage here on the door though, so obviously that opens here and then hits that handle if you open it too hard. So right, check out the balcony. So again, another silver caravan feature is you get a nice wrap-round balcony. I don't know if it's an official parking space or not, but there are these gaps in between each caravan and everyone else seems to park the car, so I joined in. What are we? We're a Bordeaux exclusive. Beautiful. But nicely wraps around and then comes to a nice little seating area. Have yourself a glass of wine in the evenings. So first night went well. Here are some highlights.
There we go, I'll take that. Is it anyone's first day today? Yeah! Oh, well you're...
Hiya gang, great to see you. We've had a mega day.
We sure have.
And now this morning we're off to go and explore the rest of the park, so come on, let's go for a little walk and an adventure. So down here we've got the nature reserve. And by the looks of it, tennis courts. So you've got a tennis court this side and then what would be another tennis court, but it looks like they set goals up, so maybe football. Barbecue safety instructions. So this bit here to the side of me is just called Tides Owners Club, so you can own some of these caravans and then they get their own little private bit. So it looks like on the map that you get a gym, bit of a sports facility, and there's an outside pool there as well. So there are 2 pools on site, but it looks like one's for the owners and the other one that we've seen before is for the holiday makers. Nice views around this bit. So the path to the beach is not the most pushchair friendly, but it is pretty. So we just discovered the beach path doesn't go to the beach, but there is a beach, just not via the beach path. So we're going to go to the beach now, not on the beach path. Here we go, Rockley Water Sports and Beach Club and Cafe. They're more positive signs. So it's a very pleasant walk down to the beach. Till a spaceship goes past you. Here we go to the beach. seeing a little bit of sand. So this looks like it's good if you've got older kids. They can do canoeing and windsurfing and paddleboarding. Ideal for them. Lovely, and round the back of the cafe here, there's a little play area. Nice. So this is just at the entertainment complex where you have the showroom and some of the restaurants and pubs and the swimming pool. So first up here you've got the mini mart, get your groceries. And you've got Crazy Golf just over here. So here's the main reception and the offices. And you can also look at purchasing caravans. I think they're all the little show homes, if you do want to stay here for longer than a holiday. This is Cook's Fish and Chips. What is pretty good about Haven sites is when you're in the entertainment room, the show bar, you can order on the app all drinks and food to come to your table. Say Papa John's or the fish and chip shop or some of them at Burger Kings and stuff. There's literally a table code and they'll bring the food to you, which is quite useful. Or you can go to the bar and then take the food in, whichever's up to you. So we've got quite a large arcade through there, and then the mash and barrel at the end is the main sort of restaurant. And out here you've got the outside pool, which is very nice. There's a little pool over there and then big main pool. And then you've got a little play area here. This is the sports bar, TVs and a pool table, dartboard. This is the entertainment room. We've got some games in the corner, and then the main stage.
Very good. Okay. On that side, let's head back to the
Have to make ourselves.
But Annie, look how many bananas.
George, crazy, I know.
What do people put in sandwiches?
So that completes the tour of Rockley Park here in Poole. The Haven site is a particularly big one. It's probably the largest one I've been to in terms of size, with the whole nature reserve and all the way down to the beach. The actual entertainment complex is a little bit smaller than you'd expect when you compare the size of the actual park, although this time of year it was more than adequate. All the staff have been very friendly. The caravan's particularly nice. I think the silvers are worth paying the extra for. You do get a lot of nice facilities. The only shame is that there was the pink hair when we first came in and the butter on the corkscrew. But overall, really enjoyed my stay. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews.